ChatGPT is helping me to fix different phones. Different issues on mobile phone are being treated and fixed nowadays because of ChatGPT. Let me show you how to do it. So before we continue, verify if you are subscribed to our YouTube channel GSM Tricks and do it like now in order to never miss any up-to-date information from us. Yes. Okay. Without delaying, let me show you more schematic diagram. Let me open mobile phone solutions. Okay, let me choose Samsung. Here, let me choose a series. There, I need a 13. Yes. Here here I am. Yes, let me open schematic layout. We have to wait for it to be opened. Sometimes it can delay because of the network issue, but now it is going to finish. Oh la la, I don't know why, but let me, yes, okay, let me open its schematic. I have also to open the hardware solution component name. Now you see that it finished. Okay, let me zoom in. Yes, okay, what are you seeing here? Now, as we have already opened the layout, can come here and they do like this. We need to know the function of every IC we are seeing on the motherboard. This is the motherboard. You see that this is like a wait. Okay, you see that this is the motherboard. See this one. This is the motherboard of a 13. Okay, so you see that this is like this. It is like this one. Yeah, they are the same. Okay. Yes. See, here is some. Yeah, here is some components. For example, this, this. A lot of components are. Some of them are named, and the others are not named. Yeah, the purpose of this video is to show you how you can understand the use of the lore of any component you found on any motherboard. Yeah, let me come here. Okay, this is the layout where you can see components in their form. Yeah, okay, let me select this U5001. After selecting it, I have to come here and paste it. Okay, make a search. How to select this one? See this one. Okay, have to open it. To open it, now it Okay, yes, this is the charger IC, but we don't know how to function, how it works. We will need to use ChatGPT in order to know how it is working. Let me do like this. Yes. Okay. Now we have to snap it. You have to snap it like this. Okay. And let's save it. Let me do like this. A30 F charge. Okay. Now it is saved. Our picture is saved. And then we have to come on any browse. They select ChatGPT. Yes. Now to use ChatGPT, we have to come here. We will add the picture we have. Okay. And then we will ask ChatGPT to help us to know how is this IC working. Then we hit enter. Then we will wait for the network. We are waiting for the network. Okay, here we are using ChatGPT. Yes. Okay, the main function of this IC is charges battery, powers the system where charger is plugged, communicates with the CPU in the PMI IC, monitors temperature, controls OTG mode. Yes, it's basically the USB charging controller plus power path manager. Input section USB side, bus, DPDM, DESER. How it works: when you plug USB V bus 5 volts entered through the USB connector, it goes to the bus pin 24. DP in the DM lines detect what type of charger, normal USB, fast charger, adapter. The IC decides how much current it can take. If bus has no voltage, no charging. Yes. Okay. Let me continue. Pins involved RX, BST, R5001, capacitor C5066, C5067, etc. This is the switching regulator part. How it works: IC receives 5 volt from USB, switches internally using the RX pin. The inductor smooth the switching to convert 5 volt into proper charging voltage, allowing 4.2 volt to 4.4 volt. So this section is step down converter back converter. If RX shorted, phone hit. Inductor open, no charge. RX no ground short, deadbolt. Okay, the use of it. Number 4, the function number 4, pins, battery SR, REM, it's R5004, register, set current limit. Yes, the set current limit. How it works: this IC sends regulated voltage to bed pin. Charging current is controlled by R5004. Battery voltage is monitored constantly. If battery is full, IC stops charging automatically. Yes. Okay. The function number 5, NTC temperature monitoring pin. NTC R5031, R5032, TH 5000 thermistor. Yes, this monitors battery temperature. If battery is too hot, charging stops. Too cold, charging stops. If NTC line is open, temperature low. If shorted, battery temperature high. OTG function. OTG enable. OTG OTG enable. OTG leg. OTC yes. When OTG is enabled, instead of charging, the IC convert battery 3.7 to 5 volt and send it to USB port. That's how phone powers USB flash driver. If OTG is not working, check OTG pin. Communication I2C pins SDA, SCR, ENT. This allows CPU PMIC to read charging status, charge current, detect battery level. If I2C line 40 shows not charging or wrong battery percentage, yeah, CE. Okay, CEKON shift mode. CEE charge enable. KEO power button logic shift mode deep battery cut off mode. If CEA is low, charging disabled. Important test point for repair. Check bus must be 5 volt when charger plugged. Check leg, usually around 5 or 6 volts internally generated. Let's continue. In simple words, this IC is doing four jobs: detect the charger, convert 5 to battery voltage, protect battery temperature and the current, communicate with the CPU. Explain if you are okay. ChatGPT is telling us that if you want, it can explain common charging fault from this schematic. Create a YouTube script for that. Yeah, these are unnecessary. You saw that ChatGPT can help you to fix or troubleshoot that I see. Yes. So here you see we have a capacitor, we have a coil, and in that this is also a capacitor that is connected to the bulb, to the ground. Yeah. Okay. This is the V bus line. The V bus. This I see need the V bus line to get 5 voltage. Yes. PMID. You have to check every line, but as this IC is mounted on the motherboard, we have to check the capacitor at which the line is connected. For example, here the PMID is connected to this capacitor 5056, and it is also connected to the PGND. Yeah. Okay. Now have RX line 2. As you see, ChatGPT can explain you everything. Yeah. For example, this line is for OTG. Yes, and then this line will need 1.8 voltage to be working. Yeah, this IC will need how many voltage? The 50 voltages is from the V bus, it's from the charger, and this one to regenerate the voltage of this. Okay, without delaying, you see that ChatGPT will help you to explain. So if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, try to do it right now in order not to miss any uploaded video. Yeah, because we are helping many people to fix their phones. Okay, this is how we understand the schematic diagrams. Yeah, every line has its own function. Yeah, the important line is this one: PMI SDA 1.8 voltage. Even this PMIC SCR must have 1.8. If you take a multimeter and start to check this line, you will get this voltage. Yeah, this means it means 1.8 volts. Okay. Yeah, this line is from the PMIC. The PMIC, power management IC. Okay, power management IC. Yes. This is for DM, data minus, and data positive. This line will pass through what? Okay, charger DP. Yeah, this line is not passing through any capacitor, any component. Mhm. This line of DM is going here. Charger data negative. Yes. Okay. You have to make your own research for any ICC on any motherboard. If it has a schematic, it will be easy for you to understand how it works. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. I like you. I love you. The reason why I'm helping you to understand some problems of problems about mobile phone repair. Yes. Okay. Bye bye. Ciao.